Alright, so today we are beginning our second attempt at the rice experiment. Alright, this pot and this spoon have been sterilized with boiling water. We will be using filtered water from here to boil our rice, all of which comes from the same bag. After the rice is nice and fluffy, we will place it in these 3 separate jars, which have never been opened. We will label each jar love, nothing, and hate. And every day, we will say, I love you, to the love rice. Say nothing to the nothing rice. And say, I hate you, to the hate rice. We will do that for 30 days. At the end of which time, we will have yet another in many points of evidence to prove that one, either water has some kind of awareness, or that there is an invisible aspect to our beings which can reach out and affect other things, or both. I can't say which of those 3 things are going to be supported by the result of our experiment, but I can say with confidence that one of them is supported, and frankly, for me, that's good enough. Alright, our rice is fluffy, slightly damp, and ready to go. Try to put an equal amount of rice in each, but inevitably it's not going to be exactly the same amount. I don't think that's important. If it is, well, assuming I could use the entertainment. We've got our subjects ready, and we'll just do our first day right now. Our first day of treatment. I love you. I hate you. We're going to do that 29 more times. Thanks, bud.
You're welcome.
Alright, so the stage is set for our little experiment to commence. I've already given our subjects their first treatment. And at the end of 29 more similar treatments, we should have our result. In the meantime, I would invite you to look up the rice experiment on YouTube, and you're probably not going to find all of them that are on there because these things get buried, and that will give you something to look forward to.
The effect of our words on this rice was amazing. So here's our 2 containers of rice. Now at this point it has been 2.5 weeks since we put this rice in the containers, and the love rice is still white. It's got like a little thing of mold growing or something white growing on it over here, but the hate rice is pure nastiness. It is dark and has got green mold growing all in it. It's just really gross. And the love rice is still white, and it has a couple mold spots on the bottom, but this hate rice is really nasty at this point. So that was a really awesome experience, and I think it spoke a lot to my kids, the difference that our words can make.